People don't become dentists because they want like this glamorous job, right? You do it because you have some sort of passion for it, and it's sometimes easy to forget that. And so when you come to these courses, you rediscover your enthusiasm for why you started doing this in the first place. And that all kind of comes together in a great 4-day weekend with colleagues and peers that agree with you, that are also inspired.
I came to level 1 in October, and I had to sign up for level 2 because I caught the bug of FMR.
I've been in practice since 2018, and I found out about FMR actually through Instagram.
I'm lucky to be here at this time, 1 year out of school, learning the same things as other dentists realize they need to learn after being graduated for so many years.
I opened a startup practice. I wanted to feel really confident and to deliver the best dentistry to my patients, and this was like the way to do it.
They don't really teach you how to do bigger treatments in dental school.
I didn't know how much I don't know. FMR helped me first of all to see more.
After level 1, I quit my job. I saw the quality of the work that people are doing after taking the FMR course, and I said, that's what I want to do. Level 2 FMR has just expanded my mind even more to show me the possibilities that maybe I can open my own practice, maybe I can do this, you know?
I really wanted to be like an aesthetic dentist or a cosmetic dentist, but I didn't understand the principles of what actually needs to be done. So I learned little tidbits here and there, but I never actually like dove into what fits a face. Doing FMR helped me understand what fits in somebody's face.
Dr. Dean's always pushing you to grow, keep learning, you know, you're always a student.
Doesn't look down on you or anything like that. He speaks at eye level.
Dr. Dean is inspirational, and everyone around him has that same positive attitude.
So Dr. Dean's very honest. He shows his good work, he shows you where he failed, and that's really where you learn.
Instead of solving one problem, you sort of see what the cause of that single problem is, because a lot of times you'll see one broken tooth. It's like, okay, actually there's a lot of broken teeth here. Why is that? How can I fix that? And then you have confidence to tackle that case, but you also feel like you have a support system involved in that that allows you to take that step. As a practice owner, you're the boss, like you're in charge. If you can't do it and you're stuck, where do you go, right? And so for me, it's like I go to Dr. Dean, I go to Dr. Ellen, talk to Dr. Smolin.
And the attitude is very friendly, and I'm not trying to like say that as for the sake of it. Testimonials, no.
I think any other CE course, you're a number, you're just there getting what everyone else got. It's not the same community aspect at all.
And doing the hands-on course, that's what really helps me, because hearing it, you say, yeah, I got it. But then even on a typodont, you're like, okay, I don't have this.
You have to be humble, first of all, because this process is humbling. Even like yesterday, I'm learning about micron adjustments on a canine will change your whole case. You have to realize that you're gonna make mistakes. An FMR dentist is somebody who's not afraid to take that journey.
The biggest part of me that's changed since taking FMR is that I'm a much more confident dentist. I needed that because I'm still young, and I feel people look at me and question my ability or my knowledge, and now I have that knowledge and that backup to know that like what I'm doing is okay for a patient, and to be able to tell them like, no, this is what you need. That changed how I am, and hopefully how my patients' lives will be forever.
Anyone can do FMR. No matter how old you are, how much practice you've had, where you're coming from, you can always learn from FMR and incorporate it into your practice.